Baba just signed you. You don't dread.
But they don't rip me. If they rip me, you go collect.
How far now? Now the artist be that.
I live at Congo.
How far now?
Abamuwa.
Can't go back.
Which kind name be Kogbagidi? Shey na Abali's name ni? Shey na your real name abi na your surname? I don't like your name o. Don't you have sweet name like all those Don Jazzy? Shey you wan collect? Allow me say the truth.
Kogbagidi, calm down. Baba, I think you will send someone. This guy keep will give you 100.
You sure?
I'm sure, Baba. Trust me, Baba.
No, I'm more serious.
I don't use Baba.
Hope no be say you dey beg am.
I know the beg am. No worry.
So now I just want to talk to get
Baba,
money.
I ain't this.
This is when I've been doing music. Freestyle for make her feel your voice. Freestyle for me.
Make Baba know. If you want to feel you now,
Your father, you tell make I freestyle for you. Shey you na show ni abi na stage dey here. Shey you know how many country wey be say I don go perform, nobody wey no know me all the way from Songo, nobody wey no know me for Agege, Ikorodu, even Aoshi.
don't forget all those kinds.
No, make I play beats for her, make her feel your voice.
I'm multi-talented. I don't need beats to blow. I make my beats with my mouth. So no they play me beats.
When the artist you sure say when I want promote
Baba, no worry.
Baba,
if I don't tell you say 100.
I'm only artist in this full Africa. I know they beg me, they promote me. I know they beg me, they sign me. Now people they beg. They ask many promoter. Just God grace, just make me and you meet. If not, so you want to wine me.
When I promote because I want to come on my kidney. I
forget about that one. This one.
Make her feel.
Yeah, now.
Yeah, see this beat where we will make now. If it's all you call it, what would me I pass so my should I just sing?
No verse.
This song I just sing for you is the Fuji artists. This one I want to give you now is what they call Celine Dion and Michael Jackson. See, this one is one of my best music for the whole world. Oh yeah, let's go. Pam pam pen 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 You say if you no sign me, I go put am for your body. Woto. If you no sign me, you go collect. No, now I dey follow talk. If you no sign me, you go collect. If you no promote me, you go collect.
Baba, I no feel like for you. This one na opportunity be this. But I tell you say 100.
I know if you promote this act, so I know if you promote.
You can't promote me. Me that is a loyal boy. You're honest boy. I feel like Promoter, your father. So you want to stress Cultist. Cultist say when you sign out, you know what sign Cultist. I mean you want collect. You want collect. You must sign Cultist.